Did you know sound can't travel through space? But that doesn't mean things in space don't make noise. By interpreting radio waves from gas clouds, nebulas, planets, and even gas swirling around black holes, we can actually hear the sounds of the universe. Here are some of my favorite space sounds. The eerie scream of the Helix Nebula. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy. The sound of two black holes merging. The audio from Saturn's hexagonal storm. And finally, the pleasant chirp of Earth. So, which sound from the universe was your favorite?